Hi guys, Marcel Heiniger here, and I'm filming now just outside my house. Here behind my house, here in Bali, and I want to show a really short video today about the importance of backupping your list. Um, you have maybe Getresponse or Aweber or any else, but very important. Your email is your assets, so backup it every day, and I will go back to my computer now and show you how to do it. It's easy, it takes a few seconds, but it's your asset, it's your money, so really important. It costs you much of money to create your lists. Don't waste it, because one email goes wrong and your email provider no more like you. So very important, back up your email every day, every single day. So I'm going back to my computer. See you soon. So here I am in my Getresponse back office. The first things I have to do is go to lists, and here I have all my lists. So I can go here, show contacts, that is contact for this list, and now I can export. So now I backup only one list. Or if I go to lists, show all contacts, that are all my emails that I have, I can go and export. Now I have all my complete list. So complete lists 2020 0626, and I choose CSV, export file. Now it's generate the file, and I go download. Now I can download it to my computer, and the backup is done. So if you want backup only one specific list, you go to the lists, show contacts, export, and now you have only this list selected, or you go to lists, all contact. On here you can export all your mails. Okay, that was all short video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.